So hi there, my name is Alice Bagg. I'm the Head of Customer Experience at Magna. Really excited today. We're meeting for the first time with our repairs panel. So we are working with a number of involved customers, both in person today, but also online, to continually review and improve our repair service, as we know it's a service that is valued so much by our customers. So today we are talking everything repairs, from how to report repair and making it easier. We've had feedback from customers that actually they're not getting the right communication from us when they're reporting repair, that they're waiting a long time when the phones get through to us. So we're talking about the solutions and what we can do to improve that, and also the work that we've already done. We're also making sure that we're able to get into customers' homes and deliver the repair right time, first time. It's something that we really want to do at Magna. We know that we're not always doing that, so we're getting some really good examples and having some really good conversations with our engaged customers today about how we can improve that service and make it more efficient.
Hi, I'm David Sale and we're customers of Magna in Dorchester. Basically, this is a new panel, repair panel, which is, I wouldn't say holding Magna to book, but we're looking at the improvements that Magna are making within their services to streamline their repairs and make sure that we get the service that we had maybe been promised in the past but not delivered.
So we've just finished our first ever repairs panel session. A massive thank you to our resident customers that came and were involved. I think the biggest thing that I've taken out of today's session is all around communication. We know that there's been a delay in some of our repairs services. We know that's been hit, due to the pandemic and other reasons, but it's about keeping our customers informed and letting them know what's going on. I think that's one thing that stood out for me today, and there's so many actions and so many things that we've discussed. So I really look forward to sharing that with our customers. We'll do that with the panel, but also we'll do that with our other customers as well, so they really know what our priorities are and what we're going to be working on together.
The more of us there are, the more notice Magna will take of us. And I feel that's very important for more people to attend these meetings and get in touch with Neil Bliss at Magna to come along to the next one.
I'm Neil Bliss, the Customer and Community Involvement Officer. We've just finished our first repairs panel. Big thank you to all our customers who came along today. They're just part of the panel. We've got an online part of it as well, via email, via customer Facebook. A few people have also phoned up to give their views and comments. So it's very much a spread of customers across all parts of Magna. It was really good today, good outcomes, good actions, a lot of work to do. And if you're interested in the panel, please give me a shout out and you can come to the next meeting, or as I say, give your views via online methods.